Hello.
I need to shake your hand, good sir.
Pleasure to meet you, man.
Pleasure to meet you. I'm from Seattle. I drove 4 hours here with my wife and kid.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for coming out.
Yeah, of course. Oh, well, I'm NicsFix. I fixed HomePods.
Cool. What is this?
It's an Apple HomePod. They're smart speaker.
It looks like the Mac Pro garbage can version for some reason.
Yeah.
But
Smart speaker. Yeah, no.
what goes wrong with these usually?
No power, death farts. The capacitors on the board go bad. You know, classic DC capacitor aging over time if they're not getting shaken to death.
Tantalum?
No, MLCC ceramics. Yeah.
Short circuit or just leaky data?
They fail to filter DC voltage
Oh.
from the audio signal as it gets amplified. So it fries the woofer, and then if you ignore it, it fries the amp, and then it becomes a more expensive repair.
Very lame.
And then eventually we figured out how to restore the software on them, because Apple told you if there's no way to plug into them. It's all wireless, right? So if you bring it in the Apple store and it's not booting up anymore, they tell you go buy a new one. So we figured out you rip the bottom off. It's got a debug port on the bottom. We created a 3D printable USB adapter that gives you just standard USB. Plug it into your computer. Run iDevice Restore in your terminal with a couple of
If you tell
flags.
people who you are, they'll find it.
Yeah. NicsFix.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for taking the time.
Yeah. Thank you for
meeting you, my
thank you for
friend.
putting this on.
And thank you for sending out a postcard. It means a lot.
Yeah.
We're gonna